Our Earth and our solar system. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky we can see many stars. They are very far away from the Earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. The Sun and the Moon are comparatively close to the Earth. So, we can see their round shapes clearly. The Sun, the Moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are all known as heavenly bodies. Stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The Sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light, during the day, we cannot see other stars. Planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. The solar system. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the Sun. It moves around the Sun. Its movement around the Sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the Sun along a specific path. This path is known as that planet's orbit. The Sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Other heavenly bodies in the solar system: satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the Sun. We see the Moon at night. It revolves around the Earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the Earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the Sun along with their satellites. Dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well-known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the Sun. They have an orbit of their own. Asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the Sun. Compared to the Sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. The Moon is closest to the Earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the Sun. You see the Sun in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolve around it and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are all part of the solar system.